Hello and welcome. You're tuned into Market Cafe right here on ET Now. I'm Shrishti Sharma, and over the course of next 1 hour, we're going to not just be telling you what's happening in the global market. Along with that, what should be your strategy, which are the stocks that you should be watching out for in today's trading session. We'll deep dive into all of that. But the big headline for the day is actually coming in from the US and President Donald Trump once again making big statements on Iran, wherein Donald Trump signals that Iran war is very complete and hints that the conflict is near the end. And along with that, he also commented on taking control of the Strait of Hormuz, and all of these, and especially the big statements of maybe the war is nearing towards its end, has definitely been a very big signal for the markets, because the Wall Street reacted sharply to that. Because you will remember that while Indian markets were open, Dow Jones futures were indicating a decline of anywhere between 700 to 900 odd points, and from that level we have seen a very fantastic recovery, not just in the Dow Jones, but along with that even Nasdaq and S&P 500 also recovered very sharply in trade yesterday. And add to that, Dow Jones actually ended with the gains of 239 odd points. S&P 500 gained almost 0.8%, but Nasdaq, that index was the outperformer, gained 1.4% in trade just yesterday. But yes, the markets were waiting out for the big comments coming in on Iran. And yes, the easing out of tensions in the Middle East was the positive signal. But add to that, we definitely had the kind of move that we have seen on the crude oil prices, because energy markets, they are becoming interesting, because just yesterday we were talking the gain of almost 25 to 26% in crude oil. But over the course of the day, we have not just seen that crude was slipping below, but also registered one of its record intraday move, wherein as of now, Brent crude is hovering around that $90 per barrel mark. WTI is back to around $86 per barrel mark. So very, very sharp reversal on the crude oil prices is what we are getting to see. Definitely boding well for the emerging markets and the equity sentiment as well.